Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about conditional formatting for a line chart in Power BI. We'll discuss a two different way of applying a conditional formatting for line chart. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me quickly add a line chart from Power BI Visual Gallery. So I have added the line chart now. And now from the data model date dimension, I will add a month on x-axis. So I'll just say month. And from the CT sales table, this is my measure actually, sum of sales amount. So I'll add on the y-axis. So line chart is ready. Now in the legend actually, from the CT sales table, I will add a CT as a legend. So you can see the 5 lines. Now we can apply a formatting option. So we'll select this visual and go to the formatting, and here you can see option called lines. I'll expand this option and I'll come down, and here you can see the color. So now for the line color you have a conditional formatting, and this is available in July 2026 Power BI desktop update. So here I'll select the formatting and it will open a window, and here you can see the formatting in style is a gradient, and from here I will select a total sales amount, and here you can see the option lowest value and the highest value. The middle color is actually optional, so I'll select the middle color, and the lowest value I will select as red color, and the middle value I will select something called amber, and for the highest value I'll select a green color actually. So here I'll go here and I'll select this color. Now click OK and click OK. So you can see the top line is green color and remaining is amber and green mix, and the last line is the red color. This is the one way of applying the conditional formatting for line chart. Now I'll show you the second way. So here you can see the cities actually: Chicago, Houston, Los Angeles, New York, and so on. So now what I'm going to do, first I will reset this. In the line I will go and I'll say reset as a default. Now here in the city cells I have created a one measure. What I have said, the if the selected value is city, so this will return a city name, and if the city is Chicago, then apply this color. If the city is this, apply this color, like that. Okay, better you have to use a switch statement instead of the if. Okay, so now we'll try to apply this conditional formatting as well. So now here what I'm going to do, I will again go back to the color, and here I will go to the color formatting option, and from here I will select a field value, and from the field value I will select in the city cells I will select a city color and apply. So you can see the different color now. Okay, so this is the second way of applying. You can also format a shaded area. So for example, if I select this, and in the shaded area you can see here, so match the line color. Currently it is matching with the line color, but if you want some conditional formatting to this also, you can also do the conditional formatting to this. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.